There is pandemonium. Calm it down. Calm it down.
I just want us all to reflect on that. Reflect. Okay, and next we have Mr. Nathan who shall be performing a poem of sorts. And then lastly, we shall finish off with a grand finale, which I will not mention, because I don't want to besmirch its name.
Reflect.
No besmirching. All right.
Stop smirching.
I will never smirch.
Yeah, kind of a little bit of a tone change here. I hope you don't mind. Maybe many of you know the poet Shel Silverstein, well known for his children's poems. He passed away a few years ago, and I'd like to recite one of his more serious poems in honor of his legacy. Sarah Cynthia Sylvia Stout would not take the garbage out. She'd wash the dishes and scrub the pans, cook the yams and spice the hams. But though her parents would scream and shout, she simply would not take the garbage out. And so it piled up to the ceiling. Coffee grounds, potato peelings, brown bananas and rotten peas, chunks of sour cottage cheese. It filled the can, it covered the floor, it cracked the windows and blocked the door with bacon rinds and chicken bones, dribbly ends of ice cream cones, pizza crusts and withered greens, soggy beans and tangerines, bits of black burnt buttered toast, grisly bits of beefy roast. The garbage rolled on down. Oh. It raised the roof, it broke the walls with greasy napkins, cookie crumbs, blobs of gooey bubble gum, cellophane from old bologna, rubbery, blubbery macaroni, peanut butter caked in dried curdled milk and crusted pie, rotting melons, dried up mustard, eggshells mixed with lemon custard, cold French fries and rancid meat, yellow lumps of cream of wheat. The garbage reached so high that finally it touched the sky. None of her friends would come to play. All the neighbors moved away. Finally, Sarah Cynthia Stout said, "Okay, I'll take the garbage out." But then, of course, it was too late. The garbage reached across the state, from New York to the Golden Gate, and there, in the garbage sheeted hate, poor Sarah met an awful fate that I cannot right now relate because the hour is much too late. But children, remember Sarah Stout, and always take the garbage out.